How to use Crunchyroll features. So if you want to use Crunchyroll features, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection or not. And once you have the internet connection, you need to launch your Crunchyroll application. After opening your Crunchyroll, now if you've not logged into your account, then you can just simply go and log into your account. After logging in, you will have this kind of interface. Now, this is the home page. Here on the bottom left, as you can see that it says home, which means this is the home page. And from here, you can go with search, which is on the top right. And on the search, you need to search for any anime that you're comfortable with. After searching, you will find your anime. You will be able to start watching your anime. You can just simply tap on any animes that you would like. You can scroll down and you will find a lot of animes right here. So from here, you'll be able to watch your animes. Or if you go with the second option, which is on the bottom, here you will have all of your list. Like for example, that you've the series or the animes that you've added to your watch list or your crunchy list. You can create a crunchy list if you want to, and your histories and your downloads, but the download option is only available for the premium users. Now the next one or the third one is browse. So from here you'll be able to browse. A lot of options are there, like all anime or many other options on the top, and you can also go with the filter section and you'll be able to sort and filter by any category that you would like. And after that, the fourth one is cast section. So from here you'll be able to watch all of the casted animes, and here on the bottom right you will have your account. So this is your account. You can switch your profiles if you want to, and you have audio language. You can change your audio language, the subtitles language, or you will also have the captions, the subscription. So this is the free version that I'm using right now, but if you want to go premium, then you can also tap on go premium so that you won't have any ads. You will have unlimited anime and new episodes shortly after airing in Japan. You'll also have the digital membership card, redeem offer code, and if you scroll down, you will have the notifications, email. You can change your password, you can change your email, you can turn off your notifications if you don't want to get the notifications, and you can also connect other applications. And if you want to delete your account, you can just go with delete my account and you can delete it, or if you want to log out, then you can log out of your current account and then create another one, or just log into another account. So that's how you can use your Crunchyroll features, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.